feels like summer.
Good morning, students. Please turn to page 35 in your textbooks. And Timothy, could you start reading, please?
And it feels like summer.
Good morning, students. Could you turn to page 35 in your textbooks, please? Timothy, could you start the reading, please? Yes, for those who do not know, in Jamaica, teachers are highly respected, or at least the profession is, and therefore we're always expected to dress formally, and we never have a dress down day as we do in France. For us in Jamaica, our dress down days are maybe wearing jeans and a polo shirt at most, or if you're a gym teacher. But outside of that, Jamaican teachers never truly dress down as French or European teachers do. So yes, in Jamaican business places, and especially at school, neither teachers nor students are allowed to really dress down by wearing mini shorts or shorts and sleeveless, etc. We always have to be fully clothed as if it's a formal, semi-formal event, irrespective of the heat. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe, leave a comment, share, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao. Oh, have a great summer.
And it feels like summer. And it feels like summer.